Hello everyone, it's PepperTech and today we are going to be reviewing this keyboard app called Fleksy. It, I obviously a lot of people have heard about this because it's not a new app, and I'm reviewing this after a long time after its release. But it doesn't matter. Let's just get on to the review. Yeah, there. So this is the app. Here is where you can add the theme extension and alter the size. You have in this you have these badges and stats that are very creepy because come on, who the hell gives badges for typing? That's just creepy. Then you have a tutorial. You have languages. Unfortunately, it's not available in all languages, just English and a few other languages in Latin America. So then you have settings, which I have never gone to. Sound and vibration. Then you have follow Fleksy, help and feedback, restore person, and all that stuff over here. Now, theme, the good stuff. You have around 40 themes over here, which should pretty much be enough to keep you happy. Then you have extensions, which allow you to have hotkeys and shortcuts and rainbow pops. What the hell? On your keyboard, which seems like a very good option, but no, I have never used them. Then you have size. You can alter the size. That's just straightforward. There's nothing about it. I don't know why. So I have rocking the white theme. You also have a chameleon theme, which changes color when you have different apps. You can buy the theme. Wait, what? Yeah. So you can use this theme. For example, this is it has a green accent, this app. This is all, the keyboard is also green, but for now we'll stick with the white theme because I don't like the chameleon theme too much. Now let's go to Jotapad. This is the ultimate uh, typing thing for Android. This is like the text editor. No, it's not exactly a text. This is like Notepad for Android. It's better than the Notepad for Windows because I don't know why. Now let's type something. Hello, my name is John, which is not. I'm not John. I just don't want to disclose it. Hello, my name is John, and I am from PepperTech. Oh wait, I did disclose my name before this, didn't I? Okay, I am from Kunal. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. Okay? Okay, great. Now, for the good part. This is an amazing keyboard. Just saying. It's a mind-blowing keyboard. If I ever get a keyboard app, I use it for like 10 minutes and then switch back to my stock keyboard because I get bored. This continues to impress me with its abilities. Now, the main reason I'm not switching back is because of the gestures. Now, let's say you are walking and you're walking on the footpath and you're texting to your friend. It just the gestures just make you feel natural. It feels natural in the hand when you're holding it, and you have to swipe to the right to just delete entire words and write them again. If it is wrong, obviously you wouldn't want to delete it. Come on, don't do that, it's stupid. Okay, so and then you have swipe to the left to space, which I don't use much, but fine, you have that for people who like it. Then you have swipe up to add to dictionary. You have swipe down to for suggestions. You have double swipe down for to make the keyboard shorter, just increasing the real estate of your screen. It just feels extremely nice. Even the haptic feedback by given by this keyboard is great, absolutely great. The the just that tap tap sound that you hear makes me happy and stops me from switching to the another keyboard. It is a great app for those who are looking for cheap, a free alternative to their cheap stock keyboard. I have a cheap stock keyboard. I'm not even kidding. I use Google Keyboard and call it my stock keyboard. I don't even why. Okay, so and this ends the review. Let's end the review here because there is nothing else that I can talk about. There's nothing else I can tell you about a keyboard app. Let's just stop the review here. And next time, I think I'm gonna be reviewing a game called Flats. This game. Okay. Now, um, I have this app called PepperTech which you can download from XDA. It's a great app for. It's a great app if you don't want to like use your browser, and if it's a great app if you're on the move actually, to be really honest. If you're on the move and you don't have a laptop to check my website, which you will most probably not, but yeah, it's right now it's still in beta, but the main website part of it does work, so you can use that. Yeah, the settings, the share doesn't work, the information does work. Okay, there's no notification support yet, but that will be fixed in the coming months. So that's it for this review. Thank you for watching, and you do comment and tell me what I can add to my reviews. Okay, thank you.